Hey, this is Rami and welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna set up a MacBook for software development, so let's get started. First, let's open the default browser, Safari, and then download and install Google Chrome from the official link. Simply, it's gonna be two steps. First step, open a terminal in your Mac. Either you can find it in the application or search by the Spotlight. And then open the docs.prio.dash and then copy that script and paste it in the terminal. What this does do is ask you for a password, then we'll download and install the homebrew for you. Might be taking a while, depends on your network connection. Type brew in the terminal to verify it has been installed successfully. Using a brew to search for Alfred and then install it by brew install Alfred using Cascade. Search for Alfred 5 with the Spotlight, give it a permission, and then disable the default Spotlight keyboard shortcut. Open Alfred, configure it, style it that the way that's suitable for you, and also use the shortcut for open it, for example, command and space. After searching for rectangle and then brew install rectangle using Cascade and waiting for it to be downloaded. Search for rectangle or at the right top corner you could find the application, play around with it and get familiar with the tool. There is two ways to install iTerm, either by using Google and then iterm2.com, download and install. Second approach using a terminal and search for iterm2 and then brew install Cascade and then wait it to be downloaded. Open iterm2 using Spotlight or Alfred, search for the application name or use a finder and then go to the application. Try to play around with the iterm2. Next is to install allmyzash using the official website allmyzash.sh and then copy the script, run it in the terminal. The style or theming allmyzash, search for allmyzash themes using search engine. Then in the GitHub repository you will find some examples you could copy and apply them to allmyzash. Using homebrew to search for and install Visual Studio Code and then verified by search for VSCode. Install Docker using homebrew or brew, search for Docker and then Docker install. To verify it's installed, Docker -- version or just Docker. Install NVM in the terminal using a brew by brew install NVM and waiting to be a download and install. Create a new directory called .nvm. Copy the following scripts and save them either .profile or .zschrc. Then save and exit. Install latest Node version using NVM by typing NVM install -- latest. And then waiting to download and install on your operation system. To install Git, use brew install git and then wait to download and install. And to verify its work, just type git -- version. Next, install Python using brew, Python add, and then specific version. Wait to download and install. Install Neovim using brew install Neovim. Copy an installation script from the official website for the LunarVim and paste it in the terminal, wait it to be downloaded and installed. Install Nerd font You could find the link in the description below. Make the nerd font as the default for the terminal by going to the profile and then select close the terminal, open a new terminal, and then open LunarVim dot, and then all the question mark has disappeared and replace it with the icons. Install Golang using brew install Golang. Install a tree using brew install tree and then verify tree. Don't forget to like and subscribe.